Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and exceptionally secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all wiping out the job of middle people, a consequence of hard and immaculate work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunseyer in September 2020, principally putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of hardy blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to fund. The torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A critical contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential slide, the intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most appealing cryptographic money, chiefly for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital currency, arising as a very unique and energetic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and organizations. The principal point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and monstrous commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light design that offers more even-handed investment rather than costly equipment, being recorded on prominent computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its brokers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with different biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a compassionate local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, manageable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivator program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT merchants and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. The ongoing cost of a Avax is $20.71, with a market capitalization of $6,518,352,606. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $401,827,255, with a circling supply of 314,803,359 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital money is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide gauge is simply reliant upon digital money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value estimate to remain legitimate on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for the long haul, so it is vital to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before very long. Be that as it may, carry out your own groundwork to check your gamble resilience. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and greatest costs of $18 and $45 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%. with a typical cost of $31.25. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2024. As per Torrential Slide Cost Expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $42 to $52, where $42 is the base exchanging cost and $52 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suspicions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $47. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $55 and $75 individually, according to our AVAX Cost Forecast 2025, while the typical cost may be $65 with a rate change of around 300%. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX Cost Expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $87 with a base and most extreme cost of $77 and $97 individually for the year 2026. The unpredictability of the Torrential Slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecast. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Torrential Slide digital money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest, while the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $96. Torrential Slide Crypto Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Examination uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 separately. AVAX Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our Torrential Slide cost conjecture shows that the expected high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The itemized Torrential Slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. The market feelings administer digital currencies. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In light of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the Torrential Slide coin. All specialists have different Torrential Slide expectations to make. By and large, in light of a VAX cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $2.86. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be downgraded from now on. As per their AVAX coin cost forecast, the cost could stretch around $45.38 by 2023 and $75.57 toward the finish of 2025. The Torrential Slide cost expectation brings expect uniting patterns that point towards the way